Hi everybody, today's lesson we are going to be finding the constant rate of change in a word problem. Okay, so the constant rate of change is typically what is changing in the word problem. So when you read it, let's take a look at an example. Anthony's demolition service charges $6 per hour and a $180 service call fee. If the total cost of the demolition was $210, how many hours of demolition took place? Now, you will notice that I highlighted $6 per hour. Okay, that right there is telling me that it's going to change every single hour, the amount that he has to pay. In fact, it's going to increase by $6 for every hour. Then we take a look at the $180 service call fee. So that is something that is constant. That is something that we have to begin by paying, okay, before we can even do any kind of demolition. And then the total cost of the demolition was $210. So that's our result. Okay, so when you take a look at this, $180 call fee, service call fee goes in the beginning because that's your start, that's what you pay first. Then it changes by $6 per hour, okay? And then the result is a total of $210. The constant rate of change in this problem is the change, $6 per hour. So the constant rate of change is 6 because it is the number that is changing in the word problem. And as you see right down here, it says how many hours. That is also a good clue to tell you where the constant rate of change is, because we're going to have to find the number of hours. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Example 2. Selena's paddle boat rental is $100 to reserve and then charges $8 for each hour. If the total cost for the rental was $172, how many visits did Selena make to the gym? Okay, let's start off by highlighting the important information. It's $100 to reserve. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight, and that's how much is my beginning information. Okay, $100 to reserve. Then it charges $8 for each hour. Okay, $8 for each hour. Sounds like a change to me because every hour it's going to increase the amount of charge. And then finally, the total cost right here was $172. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that because that is our result. Now take a look. The question says how many visits? Oh, whoops, that should not be visits. It should be hours in the question. Sorry, that was a typo on my part. So how many hours did Selena make the gym? So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that in orange as well because that tells me what I'm looking for. That gives me my variable. So here we go. For beginning, we're going to write 100 to reserve. Okay, then we're going to write 8 for each hour, and we're going to write total cost 172. Now, look at what you've got. Constant rate of change is the change, 8 for each hour. So our constant rate of change is the number 8. And that's it. That's all you have to do on the assignment. That's what I'm asking for. I need y'all to find those constant rate of change in the word problems. Plus, this is also going to help you write equations for your word problems. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.